Here, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this beautiful blue aquamarine galactic look for you, and if you are interested to see how I created it, keep on watching. Alright you guys, let's get down to it. So first we're gonna start using a couple pieces of tape because I just want to have more nice sharp edges to this look. Since we're going to be using the beautiful blues and aqua color, I definitely want them to pop and, you know, showcase more. Put that right under our eye. I'm gonna look a little crazy right now, but who cares? And I have no makeup right now because I just want to, you know, start from the eyes, because I know with so much color and pigments and like a loose eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using, it's a lot of fallouts. I just don't want to clear up so much mess. Let's see. Wow, looks actually really good. Alright, so as our base, I'm gonna be using the new Norvina palette from Anastasia. I did use the palette on the last tutorial, but let's reuse for this one as well because I just love the colors. I'm gonna be using base, this really pretty one here. Just nice fluffy brush to put all over the lid. Okay, so we're just gonna blend it in like so. I'm not going on the lid as much, even though it falls out. Just create a nice base. Now it comes the fun part. We're gonna be using Mica Bella Cosmetics. I got this set at the mall. I'm not sure if they are online. I would definitely do some research on it, but they use natural mica powder, and I just love the intensity of their eyeshadow. It's like so beautiful. So I'm just gonna grab another fluffy brush. So for this look, I'm just gonna grab a nice fluffy brush. It's a 217 from MAC. We're gonna just dab it in. So we're gonna start here from the edges. Whoa, look at this. I love this blue. It's so intense, so just make sure you be gentle. I definitely give a really big generous amount right here, but it's okay. We're gonna blend it in and everything is gonna come nicely together. I just remember using so much more colorful eyeshadows back in high school, and I really miss that. You know, we always tend to more stick for like neutral colors. I kind of missed using more lively colors. And the next eye, just be really gentle with it because it is a loose powder and it's very pigmented, so just go slowly. So just recently I started listening to 90s music, and I missed it because it was so much fun and like the lyrics really had a meaning, you know. Now all the song is just about ass, money, cars, and it's just like, I don't know, it's fun definitely, you know, to party and whatnot, but that I'm just such a hopeless romantic. I love songs that have a meaning behind it, and they're like, you know, passionate and really in depth, talking about emotions and whatnot. So yeah, I just miss music that really has a meaning, you know. I don't know, what about you guys? I know a lot of people still listening to like Sinatra and classical music. What about you? Like, what is your favorite music that you listen to or jam to in the car? by a suggestion from my life coach. If you guys don't know, her name is Laura Scene. So yeah, she gave me an amazing idea that every day she say, hey Bella, how about you listen to, you know, to different music every day. So one day I was listening to reggaeton, one was like French music, another one was Egyptian music, and Polish music, country, pop, you know. So it was like every day it was a different reality, I was like in a different zone. So it was like really fun to experience that and go back in time and really not stick to one thing. I get bored easily. I really do. Like, I need to be stimulated in my life. I need an adventure and excitement, and that experiment, you know, by listening to every different type of theme song every day, like that was so much fun. Alright, so we're just gonna build that in, more blue in here. And honestly, you guys, I really don't wear makeup every day at all. Like, the only thing I would use is just like a nice mascara to, you know, just open your eyes more, and maybe a little concealer on my nose, because I'm like always a freaking Rudolph. Every time the temperature changes, okay, I get a red nose, and it's just so annoying. And you see, the only ingredients that in those eyeshadows is just mica and ceramine, titanium dioxide. Just like 3 ingredients, which is so cool, you know, and they are cruelty free, which is I love. Next, we're gonna go for a little darker blue. Alright guys, so now with the darker color, I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush. We're gonna pack, slowly start with our corners up here. So next we're gonna cut our crease using a concealer. You can use any concealer. Usually I go with Tarte, but I also use this brand Mineral Fusion one. I get it in Whole Foods, and it's a really good coverage. I'm like really impressed. So we're gonna start right up here in the middle. Pack it down gently. Okay, so next we're gonna be using this another loose powder from MAC this time, and it's a bell bottom blue. So let's get down to it. I'm living it. Oh, why you keep falling on me? Alright, so since we're done with our blue, I'm just gonna go back to my Norvina palette on the base and blend it in the edges up here on the top so they're not as rough. Just make sure you go down gently because you don't want the blue to disappear. So just go in a circle motions. Just gently. See how that makes a huge difference. So up next we're gonna use this really beautiful liner from NYX. It calls Peacock, and I'm just gonna go into the inner corners to create a really nice shimmery centerpiece. Let's remove the tape. Alright guys, so I already cleaned my under eyes, and before we finish completing our eye makeup, I decided, you know, let's definitely go and jump into our foundation, and then we'll be able to finish the eyeshadow and make it more smoother and clean. So right now I'm gonna be using Tarte, my favorite. It's a new actually stick, foundation stick, clay stick foundation, and I'm just nice general amount. And now we're gonna be using Tarte concealer, just under eyes, little on the nose. And this time I'm just gonna use my small beauty blender. We're gonna use our Hoola bronzer by Benefit with this nice kabuki brush. Just gonna bake under eyes and here on our cheekbones. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it's my favorite one. Also, by using bronzer, we can contour our nose a little bit. Just using a nice fluffy brush would do the trick. I don't want to do it much because I already have a skinny nose, but I just want a more polished look. So now we're just gonna dust the powder off and blend it in. And for the under eyes, I'm just gonna use this small tiny brush so we have no more of a big disaster fallout. And I'm gonna just go not all the way to the end, but I'll leave that little piece up here so we can put something special in there. Inner corners on the lower lash, we're gonna be using a MAC, it's a powder as well, mica powder, and this is in vanilla. Okay, so I just finished putting the lashes on. Look how beautiful they look. It's my favorite part of the whole look is the highlighter. I'm using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Dream. I think I'm just gonna go with the Wish and Magic, those two colors. It's like a goldy and silver all together. Ooh, look at that. So pretty, I love it. So let's just use a little bit on the bridge of our nose, and a little up here, all per the lip. Mom! In the background. Alright guys, so unfortunately my camera died at the studio, but we had complete, like I said, our lips with a matte lip from Kylie Jenner in Babe. So that is the color, as you can see, in a natural lighting. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the big thumbs up down below, and let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on how my channel could improve. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love ya, bye!